My dog can drive this boat.
So I'm gonna drive the boat. Oh, now it's really freaking out. So me and Zachary are going on a trip to a skate park in Indiana. We're gonna have to take a ferry to get there. This thing is actually pretty quick. We're almost to Indiana already. Back on the trail again in Indiana, heading towards skateboard park. There's a really nice golf course here.
Bikes, walkers, or joggers?
On the golf course. Casino on the other side of this golf course here. Realized that on the ferry no one was getting charged. I don't know why they were doing it for free this time. We're skateboarding through the water. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Are they good?
I don't know.
We're on our way back. There's the casino hotel. I think there's hotels over there. And I can't fix it, trigger the damage. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain hide. We just did a burn flight, and now we are getting ready to get back onto the ferry.
My dog can drive this boat.
He's afraid he'll crash it.
No, you can't crash it. It's on water. The cabin's gonna be with you. He's in control.
So I'm gonna drive the boat.
Ready to run this thing?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. If you hold it, it just takes off.
So did you already take off? Alright, so that was interesting. I got to drive the ferry. So we're maybe a mile or so from the house. Get to see a nice enough time for a quick evening flight using the micro. That's a tiny little thing. Okay, so I think there's definitely something wrong with this quad. I don't know if it's the gyro or what. I mean, it feels okay. Oh, now it's really freaking out.